everyone, welcome to Hau Chic. So today I have an unboxing of a beautiful bag and I bought this from Fashionphile. It's the Lady Dior and I'm going to unbox it, and this is actually my first time shopping on Fashionphile. This is what I got in the mail. It comes in a normal box and it just says fragile, but once you open it, it says Fashionphile straight up, and that's really cute. I also got a thank you letter and it says tag us with Fashionphile, so that's really cute, and it says shop, sell, repeat on the other side. And then it also comes with this little envelope. It's got the logo on the other side, and let's just open this up, and it comes with a sales receipt, and then it says we want this back if you sell it back. So you have an option to sell the bag back to Fashionphile if you really need to. And then in here we have the tissue paper, and it says used is the new, which is really cute because I am all for recycling and upcycling any fashion items, and trying to buy pre-loved is actually much better for the planet than buying brand new all the time. So especially if people look after their bags, and especially with luxury items, I think is the best way forward. Let's open this up. So here we have the dust bag, and it says Fashionphile on here, and also you get a little nail file which is really cute, and it says Fashionphile on there, and it says I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet on the other side. So that's really cute. And then once I take this dust bag out, inside there's also more confetti, so it's kind of like having a celebration when you open this box. It's pretty cute. So it comes in a huge dust bag like this, and it's suitable for just traveling and also just keeping your bag safe. And inside is the beautiful bag. This is what I got. This is the small size pink Lady Dior. This is in the blush pink color, and it's one of the previous editions, so not the ABC Dior, but it's the My Lady Dior from, I think it was around 2016 time. And I personally really love the color of this because it's got this nice nude color, but it's also a very, very cute blush pink. So you have the champagne gold hardware at the front and also along the back as well. And then inside you have the flap opening, which I find this more handy to use because previously they had the zipper design and it was really hard to get your hand in there, but now that they've changed it all to this flap design, it's so much easier. So inside we have the strap, and the strap is one of their thicker straps, and I'll just pin this at the back. So the old design of this bag, it had the thicker strap, but it also has these really cute details of the badges, just like this. And I really like the way they've chose the badges from the previous owner, because these are resemblance of the, I think it was one of the tarot card inspired ones. I remember during that collection, that era, it had a lot of tarot card inspired pieces. So these, I really love the charms for all of them. It also contains the original dust bag, which is quite nice. Oh, it has two dust bags. So it has one dust bag where it's quite big and it says Dior on it, and it's a really nice cloth dust bag. And then the second dust bag is more resemblance for the Lady Dior, where it has the Dior logo but also the swan, and this will just help to protect my bag. So now I have 3 beautiful dust bags, and it's always nice to have more. Inside we also have an authenticity card, and it has the authenticity card in here, and also it has the care booklet right in here too. So that's really nice to have. And then inside you have a large opening, and that's where you can fit quite a lot of items in there. I do find that this bag is really handy. It's a good size to carry all your necessities such as your phone, your wallet, and also it can even fit a small makeup bag in there and you're good to go. And I find that this is one of the most smallest but elegant bags that is actually useful. So at the front of the bag you have a slit in here, and that is where you can fit a few cards in there. And then at the back you have a zipper pocket, and then it also has the Christian Dior logo at the back. So this is all very beautiful. One last detail I want to mention at the bottom is the feet. So it also comes in this champagne hardware, and it just helps to stand the bag when you are using it. One thing I wanted to mention about Fashionphile is that they have this tag here, and what it does is that it has a certificate of authenticity because it's checked by a few of their experts. It's not just one, but quite a few of them. So I love that they do this before they upload any of their items to be sold, and everything's done in-house, which is really, really amazing. And then you can keep this to guarantee its authenticity. So I love the fact that it has that, and I really love how beautiful this bag is. So with this bag, I paid around £2,600 for this, and in store right now, not with this one, but with the ABC Dior, it does cost around £3,300. So I did save a little bit of money there. And the main reason why I bought this secondhand is because it does come pretty much brand new. The only faults that I can find are some little marks on the corner, just a tiny one at the back, a little bit on the handle, and then a few scratches on the metal hardware here. But other than that, it comes pretty much brand new, and for the price of it, I think it's a pretty much good bargain for what you get. So I do highly recommend have a look at pre-loved websites when it comes to Lady Dior's, especially with the small size or the mini size. They're really hard to get a huge bargain, but if you have a look at the medium size, you get a massive bargain for your money. I think they come even cheaper than buying the smalls. So where I would wear this, it could be worn as an everyday outfit thing, but also, especially if you take the straps off, you can also wear this as just like a top handle, and it just looks like a really nice, elegant way to just go out for a nice dinner. It'll be really cute. So a little bit of background story about this bag is that I previously owned this bag back in, I think it was 2017, and I sold it just because of I do hold a lot of memories with a lot of my items, and especially with bags, you take it around with you and you have a lot of cherished moments with them, but sometimes when things happen, a lot of bad energy gets associated with the memory with the bags. So what I did was I just sold it off, and then you just buy new bags along the way, and that's why my collection is always rotating. But with the select few that I have, I always make sure that it does come with happy memories, and especially if it's a gift from a family or my friends, then of course I would keep that forever. But with some of the bags that I purchase just by myself, then I do turn them over quite a lot. So in the case of the pink bag that I originally owned, I got rid of it just for like getting rid of bad energy. And another thing that I did with my bronze Lady Dior, in the same size, the small size, I did the same thing and I sold it off, and now I have just bought this one. So just a little bit of story time of how I turn over my bags, and it's not that I always collect bags. To be really honest, I don't have the space to keep it in, but that's how I manage my bag collection. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like these type of videos, then please do like and subscribe. And if you just want to chat to me, anything beauty, fashion, lifestyle, or anything about this bag, then please do message me on Instagram at Hau Chic. And finally, I give you all of my hugs and my love. Bye.